Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Zerker at the Animal Hospital of Statesville, and I'm here with Kyle today answering some questions about spays and neuters in cats.
Dr. Zerker, what is cat neutering?
So neutering in cats is removing, well, I guess in any animal, is removing the testicles. So that's in our male cats, stopping that hormonal influence.
Okay, and what is spaying a cat?
So spaying is in females, and that is removing the ovaries and the uterus of the female so that she doesn't have the hormones in her body, but she also cannot get pregnant.
Okay. How does spaying or neutering impact the health and well-being of my cat?
So spaying and neutering in cats can have a bunch of health benefits for males, especially as they start to grow into their hormones. They can get those classic tomcat attributes, so the bigger face structure, but also the smell that comes along with it. If you're not planning to breed your cat, then it's just not worth it. I recommend neutering before that comes
I think
into
once
play.
you smell what that smells like, everybody would neuter their cats because it's just something that doesn't really
It's
go
pungent.
away. Yeah, pungent is a nice way to say it. And some people, they don't, it doesn't seem to affect them, strangely enough.
Yeah.
But let's see, how soon should you bring your cat in to the veterinarian to get spayed or neutered?
So we recommend spaying and neutering pets around 6 months of age, especially our cats 6 months of age. We can do it before then if there's a particular concern or depending on their size, and certainly we can do it at any point throughout their life. But in cats, they tend to mature faster than in dogs, and so 6 months tends to be a reasonable estimate for most cats.
Well, how will spaying or neutering affect my cat's behavior?
So similar to kind of what we talked about in dogs, stopping the hormonal influence can also stop some of the issues we see in pets. So sometimes some of the aggression, but the bigger thing is behaviors related to mating. So females in heat vocalizing, wanting a boy, and then in our males trying to get to the female, wandering, urine marking, things like that, all at play with the hormones.
I would recommend doing this cat spay before all that happens. I was new to this profession when I got my first cat spayed, and
when a cat,
they just completely scream until they're ready.
And when cats go into heat, unlike in dogs, they cycle much more quickly, so it can be for weeks. They can come out for a few days, go right back in, and so unlike in dogs where there tends to be more span between heat cycles, cats it tends to go throughout the warm months.
Take it from experience. Do it on time. How should I care for my cat before and after spaying or neutering surgery?
So the biggest thing with the procedure is keeping them quiet for a few days after, just to allow the incisions to heal. So if they run around and jump and are too crazy, the concern is always they could loosen a stitch. So keeping them quiet. We give pain medication after surgery that's long lasting, so you don't need to do anything on your end, but that does keep them comfortable. And of course, making sure that they don't lick at the incision or chew, since that could cause some problems as well.
Now, the outdoor cats, should they be kept inside for?
Ideally for about a week after, at least a week after this procedure, just to prevent anything from getting into the incision, allowing for an infection, anything like that. A warm environment, even just a garage, can make a big difference for outdoor cats after the procedure.
Okay, so if you have any questions regarding getting your cat spayed or neutered, give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.